Hi guys, Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for being here. It's Moto Lifestyle, my channel guys. For those ones who don't know my channel, I do videos or content about my lifestyle here in the US. As you know, or if you don't know, I come from East Africa, Kenya, and I live here in the US for so many years. Guys, it's windy. Let me put my sunglasses. It's so windy, I'm telling you. My eyes. So, let me see. What do you think? I think this is much better. Now I can talk to you. So, I come from East Africa, Kenya. I live in the US for so many years with my family. This is my home here. So, I make content actually about my lifestyle. And the reason why I do that, I just want to show the world or anybody out there who wants to come to the US how people live here and how you can adapt easily here in the US. Guys, over here I have my pear tree. How windy it is. This is how windy. And this is my home up here. And these are my pear trees. I have two of them on the other side right here. And on the other side I have my kitchen garden, which I'm going to show you what I have planted, okay? So today's video actually is to say hello to you from this windy backyard. You can see how my logs are flying. Guys, I'm telling you, I am loving my logs. And if you want to know the journey of my logs, go to my YouTube channel. There are videos here, over there. There's so many videos about how I started growing my logs. Now they are 2 years old, okay? And I'm loving them, I'm telling you. So today's video, I just sitting in the backyard and I'm looking at my nails. They look horrible, horrible, horrible. So I wanted to do my nails, and I'm going to use this nail polish. It's called Color Vibe. Guys, you could believe where I got this color nail polish. I got it from a Dollar General. Yes, guys, sometimes I love to shop in a Dollar General simply because everything used to be $1, but nowadays everything is $1.25. So that's how much economy here in the US is getting higher. And guys, I'm telling you guys, we are hungry this time around. It's like everything you go to the store, you name it, everything you buy, from grocery, you buy clothing, anything, it's very, very expensive. You get scared when you see the price. You're like, oh my gosh, I can't even afford. And at this time we're running out of some food, especially eggs. Guys, we do not have eggs right now here in the US. Last time was actually last weekend. I went to the store to get some eggs. Can you imagine there were no eggs? My goodness. And I tried to do some grocery here. Usually when I go to a grocery before, you can go with a cart and just throw anything in there. You don't mind. You say, I want fish, you throw it there. I want oil, you throw it there. I want kale, I want what and what, you throw in there. I want barbecue, you throw in there. This time round, you have to think thrice, like, what do I need versus what do I want? I don't know. I'm not making sense, guys. It's so windy, but I'm loving it. It's windy warm. So everything is very expensive. I don't know if we're gonna die or what. So that's why you see me doing my own nails, because I don't have enough money to go sit in a salon, somebody to do my nails. I'd rather do it myself and save the coin so that I can buy food, or I can pay my mortgage right here, okay? So even the mortgage is really, the taxes are going higher and higher. I don't know in the future if we are even going to afford actually to live in these homes, you know. I feel sorry for me. Sometimes I feel sad. I'm like, oh my goodness, America used to be America of honey, America of hope, but now I feel like, oh my goodness, being in America, I feel like shaking, like you don't know tomorrow. So for those ones who wants to come to America, as much as we make it look easier, fancy, simple, think twice. If you live in your country and you earn well, or you're a farmer and you live well, actually you don't need to travel to America. You don't need to be here. You understand? America is not the same that it used to be. Here where we are, it's you have to hustle. Every penny you have to hustle, and it's becoming less and less and less. Even the salary, it's getting lesser and lesser and lesser. You work more, but you get paid less. You understand? So that is why you see me taking matters into my own hands. I'm planting my own veggies there. This is my little kitchen garden there. I'm planting my little kitchen garden there. I'm planting my own plants. Okay? Because I that kind of money that I'm gonna go enjoy buying the fruits that I want to eat, or buying the organic food that I want to, greens that I want to eat. I cannot afford, or we cannot afford, it is that point. So that's why you see me doing things myself. I did a video about staycation, where you can do a vacation in your backyard, and you thought it was a joke. It's real. It's real. Getting a ticket of airline right now, it's very pricey. I don't know if you're a family of 6 or 4, even traveling, it's so hard. So I did a video. I hope you guys watched that video, and thank you so much for those ones who watched it. I was giving tips on how you can do a vacation on a budget. You don't have to break your bank. You can do a vacation in one of your rooms, or in your home, or in your backyard, or your front yard. You can do a vacation there. Some simple things like this, going to the beauty salon. You can get your own, this is a vibe thing of mine here, and apply to your nails, and you look fancy, and nobody's gonna put a tick for you like, oh, your nails look fancy. They look fancy. They know they look fancy. So you choose a color you want. Like me now, I'm gonna choose a color I want, so whenever I go tomorrow, I look fancy. Okay, I look fancy and beautiful. So Umoto lifestyle is going to be always about saving your coins. I don't want people to start breaking their banks. We don't have it, so I don't want you to start breaking the banks. Okay, even doing my locks, I'm starting to learn. I'm almost learning how to do my own locks, so I don't have to go to the salon to do my locks. It's very expensive. Like this ones that I have here, it's pricey to do these locks. Okay, somebody has to interlock your locks. You have to pay the price, or so that's why I'm determined to know how to interlock my own locks, so I don't have to go to the salon and pay a price. It's very expensive for somebody to interlock for me. So I'm asking you guys, if you can do something on your own, if you can use your energy, your hands, your mouth, your eyes, everything to do something that you feel like you can do, than going out there and paying somebody to do it for you, please go ahead. Guys, let me do my nails and show you how they look. Oh well guys, look, I did the first coating of my nails. Look, they already look fancy. I'm gonna do a second coating, and then I'm gonna do the gel, the shiny one, and then I'm done. So you don't necessarily have to go to the salon to break your bank, but they look shiny. Look at that, look at that. Let me show, this one is done, and let me show you one. This one is not done. You see, you can see the difference. And you can see the difference. This one is shiny. I kind of chose the color that kind of looks like my nails. So let me go ahead and do the second coating, and then I'll show you, and you see how I'm looking. Voila. Let me make a thumbnail maybe. Let me finish. Oh well guys, look at them nails. Wow, they look fabulous. Guys, I hope I have inspired somebody to kind of just do things that you can do to yourself. If you can do your locks to yourself, do it. If you can do your own hair, or you can sew your own wig or whatever, just go ahead and do it. If you can do your own makeup, go ahead and do it. Or if you can do your nails, Asumoto lifestyle here, go ahead and do it. And I'm not meaning bad for going to the shop or salon, whatever, and do your beauty, but this time that we live here, I feel like it's becoming too expensive for us to go to the salon versus doing yourself. So I was just here in my backyard enjoying all this breeze, inspiring somebody, and I hope I did with my nails here. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.